I'm so bored. I only have this squishy and this squishy. Global. Not even my favorite color. Ugh! So bored. I have to trade. Maybe I should go to the trading hub. Let me just put these here. Let's go trade. Maybe I'll get a puppet. That's my dream. We're here. Let's trade this first. Trading donut homemade squishy. I'll trade you a Rubik's Cube if you trade me another squishy. Oh, that seems like a good deal. Okay. Here you go. Oh wow, I'm gonna get that. I'll miss you guys. Thank you. Trading small Rubik's Cube for big Rubik's Cube. I'll trade you, but I'll need you to add more. Okay, how about this? That looks like a great deal. Here you go. Now I have these two. I'll trade this for a DNA ball. Trading small Rubik's Cube. Here. I'll trade you a Dimple and this infinity cube. Are you serious? That's such a good trade. Oh my god, I got these things. Maybe I'll get a DNA ball. Trading Dimple. Me. I'll trade you this snapper. Oh my god, nice. Here you go. Trading this beautiful snapper. Oh my god, that's my dream Fidget. That's my dream Fidget. I have to offer you everything I have. That's a cat mochi. This and this beautiful tea popper. Oh my god, I'll get so much in that. But can you get a little bit more? Because the snapper is really super cool. And I really want my dream Fidget, which is a puppet. Please wait for me. I'll get some more things about trading these things. Okay, I'm not trading anyone. Because that's my dream Fidget. Okay, it's in my inventory right now. You can trade. Oh my god, that is so cool. Hey, can we trade? Yeah. Oh, you have good things. You can take anything of two of these. Maybe that. Maybe that marble mesh would work. Because that's my dream. Oh my god. Take it. Thank you so much. I'm back. Oh my god. Okay. This is the snapper. Okay, that looks like a good deal. There you go. Now I should trade this. Maybe this for the last. Trading infinity cube. Oh my god, please. Show me your trade offer. I have these two pop tubes. This mini pink pop tube. And these 3 monkey noodles. And these 2 super monkey noodles. That looks like a really good deal. If you could add one more thing, I'll be really happy. That was enough. I don't have any more. Okay, this is fine. You can take it. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much. That's my dream. You're welcome. Now I'm gonna trade this. Trading mouse. Oh my god, me. Show me your trade offers. I'll give you these 3 globals and this Cheetos homemade squishmallow. this cow print cheetah squishmallow, and the Starbucks squishmallow homemade. Okay, that looks like a really good deal. Here you go. Wow! Trading a unicorn puppet. That looks like good. Hi, I want to trade. Could you show me your pop ball for once? Yeah. Oh my god. It's not even a real puppet ball. It's torn. This is torn. Hey! No, it's not. That looks good. Hey, can you trade? Yeah, sure. I'll give you all the squishmallows I have. Squishies I have. Okay, you can give me, because this is really expensive. Okay, I have this, and these 3 global. Oh my god, that's my dream. These are I love globals. Thank you so much. Wait, hey, can I offer? Yeah. I'll offer this puppet ball. I want more. How about these 3 pop tubes and 1 mini pop tube? I want a mochi. Oh, you're in luck. I have one. So, do you want anything else? Nope. Thank you so much. It's a unicorn puppet ball. Here you go. Trading unicorn. Wait. Trading a snake, a pea popper, and monkey noodles for a DNA ball. Hey, you're in luck. I only have a DNA ball. I want more. You're in luck. Take it. Oh my god, thank you so much. Trading a DNA ball and a unicorn puppet ball for a puppet. Hey, I want that. Oh, you're in luck. I can get that puppet. Yes, of course. Thank you. Guys, I just got my first puppet. And my dream is over. Dream is done. Trading a Dimple digit for 3 puppets and 2 puppets and 1 Dimple. Hey, that's my dream. Can you wait for me? Okay, of course. So this is my first offer. I'll just go and get some more offers. Hey, hi! Can you please trade me these 2 puppets for this? If you get more things. Okay, I'll get a Rubik's Cube. I'll get something for free, you know. Trading this pom-pom ball and this cushion for free. Oh my god, I need that. Thank you so much. Hello. Yeah, you can take these for these 2. Thank you. Hey, I don't really need this also, so you can take this. Oh my god, thank you so much. You're so kind. Hi. You wanted the things, I got it. Oh my god, thank you so much. Guys, I just got my dream fidget. Now my treasure hunt is over. And I can finally be with it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was only a skit. Bye. Love you.